Hello, I am Bella from byteEDGE. I am here to help you express yourself effectively, communicate successfully, and build your edge confidently. In this module, we will discuss the subject that you have always been curious about, which is building virtual communication etiquette. The growing digital era emphasizes the importance of extending communication etiquette to the virtual level for respectful interaction. Let me unlock for you the 5 sure-win techniques to build virtual communication etiquette. Establish clear communication channels. Encourage the use of distinct communication channels for effective and efficient communication in virtual settings. Consistency can be maintained by outlining beforehand which communication tool can be used for what purpose. See you next Sunday with another workplace problem.